Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. I'm so excited for this Halloween makeup look. I got my bandeau on ready for some body paint, hair's ready for my wig, and if you guys do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button, and of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Now, I'm first going to start with prepping my face up some, so I got some primer, foundation, of course primer for my eyes, and I'm going to set it. I'm also going to get my brows ready, and this would be the next look. From here, I'm going to pick up some body paint, some from Moon Creations, some from Mayron, and I love to use one of these little clear sheets to kind of mix the paint like so. After setting the body paint, I'm going to hop back up to my eyes. I'm going to get a really nice base with a jumbo eye pencil and then blend it out with the pad of my finger. After I do that, I'm going to take a few different shades of shimmer green shadows. I'm going to start with a medium shade, kind of mapping out where I want the shadow to be, and then I'm going to pick up the darker shade to outline even more, and then a really nice kind of a lime green shade for the middle to get some pop in the center. For the contour, I picked up a dark green matte shadow, got a little contouring of my nose going on, blending it out, and then I'm quickly going to hit my cheekbones and then add some nice pink blush to the apples of my cheeks. I wanted a little extra pop for the center of my lid, so I picked up a nice brighter green shimmer shadow. And then for the liquid eyeliner, I kept the eyeliner nice and simple with a mid-wing. After catching up the other eye, I'm going to go down and work on creating the shirt for Frankie. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the body paint creation. Here we go. Whew, back up to the eyes, a little mascara, a little false lashes, hitting some really nice green liner on my waterline, and then I want to smoke out the bottom lash line. So I'm picking up a dark matte shade, just smudging that all across the lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out with a clean brush and then move on to creating some lower lashes. So I'm really pulling and drawing those out, and this is the water activated paint from Mayron. After using the liquid eyeliner to create the stitches, I'm picking up a matte green shadow and I'm building it around each individual stitch just to help it pop a little more and give it a little extra dimension. Oh boy, so here I have learned that I cannot freehand a star. I was really disappointed with this. I should have stopped right there, but I was like, I got this, I can do this. No, I couldn't do this, but I wanted to show you guys this part. So the Valfre characters have stars on their faces, and I tried to freehand them. As you can see, it did not work out. So this is just a process where don't get frustrated, guys. I mean, you can get frustrated, but just know you can fix it. So I had to get rid of all of that. I had to repaint it, like mix some more green, more blush, more contouring, and then I made a stencil and it worked way better. So if anything ever goes wrong, just try to keep your cool, keep it together, and then create a plan B and go with it. After connecting the stars with some liquid eyeliner, I added my highlights. So that Cupid's bow, cheekbones, and I did get a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well. And then I also highlighted the stars with some white Mayron face paint. After chiseling out my jawline, I added my red liquid lipstick. I wanted it to be even like darker, almost like a little bit of black in it, so I fixed that. I picked up a black matte shadow and just added that with a brush, blended it through, and I loved the result. After getting creative with a square headband and Frankie bolts, this Halloween Valfre Frankie is complete. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me today and checking out my Valfre Frankie inspired Halloween makeup look. All of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope that all of you will come back next week and join me for another video. Take care and stay spooky.